and stay with me. itoは違うものだよと
Hello guys, we're here na in our hotel in Osaka. I personally recommend this hotel.
Today for 3 night is 309 and 3 floor. Check-out is 17:11 a.m.
Okay.
And
11
we
a.m.
ready to your another room and after 3 p.m.
Okay.
And room cleaning is 10 a.m. start 2 p.m. and every day. But every day cleaning is only change the towel and garbage.
I'm gonna change the
Every day?
Every day.
Mm.
Yeah. How about the breakfast? What time?
Breakfast. This is breakfast care for each day, each
Okay.
people. And breakfast place is over there.
Okay.
And open is 7 o'clock. Close is 9:30.
9:30 a.m. Okay.
And last entry is 9 a.m.
Okay. Okay.
And please take your room amenities.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi guys, so we're here na. So, ito yung room namin.
Guys, meron din silang body towel. Tapos meron ding lotion. Ano ba to? Cleansing oil. Face wash. And then, ano ba to?
Ang gusto ko dito sa hotel na to, unlimited yung kanilang mga hotel supplies. Yung face wash, shampoo. Pinaka-favorite ko sa hotel supplies nila ay yung kanilang hairbrush. Yung hairbrush nila is like parang sa Okada in Manila.
Quintessa.
Restaurant nila. So ito guys yung restaurant nila. Basically, ito yung breakfast namin everyday. So, meron ding fruits, may oranges, pineapples, may fruit salad, meron ding bread and blueberry na strawberry, butter, and different kinds of bread. So tinry ko din lahat. So, try it. So, ang favorite na drinks ko ay kanilang chocolate. Well, sa lahat naman ng buffet breakfast, pag nag-travel ka, chocolate. And then, here is the salad. Garden salad, miso. Sarap.
Wonder what I'll do when the cups come true and the whiskey's run out. Cause I've been looking at you since 2:30. Wanna take this downtown. This liquid courage got me way too honest. Put your phone on vibrate, let's catch the vibe here while the sun's down. Hush now, I know a little too fucked up to stay still. Love, be as quiet as you can, cause if anyone sees they'll just blow shit. Oh, I don't gotta know if you're taken, I'll just let you know bedroom's vacant.